Hello everyone, this is Lews Auto in Thornburg, Virginia. Today we have UU187. This is a 2012 Toyota RAV4. It's got the 4-cylinder engine in it and 90,242 miles on it. Unfortunately, I'm not able to start this one. It's a front-end collision right close to the starter. I'm not getting any noise from the starter at all, so I'm assuming that the battery has jammed up there in that starter and messed up the wiring for it. So we're going to test this in the bay. It's going to be a two-part video here. This is going to be the first part, just showing you around the vehicle and showing you the components that it has. These are turn signal mirrors. Let me throw on the hazard lights real quick for you. So there's the hazard lights. Yeah, we're going to do the components, make sure the mirrors, the windows, heater, AC control, all that stuff is operational. And then we'll have a run test once we get in the bay and get it, another wire on that start and get it rolling. So, but all in all, a decent body to this vehicle. Like I said, it's got this front end collision to it. That's about all I really see as an issue. And we're going to go ahead and hop on in here. We're going to do some component testing while my jump box lasts, okay? So both those mirrors do come on. Let's go ahead and get some windows going so it's not so hot in here. Push your driver's side window down, up, down, down, up, down. And we'll turn off this hazard lights while I do this. And one, up, down. All right, all those go down, thank the Lord. So we're gonna go ahead, we'll test out the door mirrors here. Do this side now. So it looks like that works just fine also. Radio is missing a button, so I'm not going to inventory this radio since I don't have all the pieces for it. But we'll check out the heater AC control here. Seems like all that works just fine. No sunroof, just regular manual dimming mirror. So that's pretty much the long and short of the video. Like I said, we'll have a second video of it running once we get it in the bay. This is going to be a test and bay unit so we can get the starter hooked back up. Again, the mileage is 90,242, and anybody that has owned a Toyota knows that's just beginning for the mileage on these things. So I don't have any doubt in the engine or the transmission, but like I said, we will test it one more time before we sell that bad boy. All right, well, thank you. Again, this is Lews Auto, UU187, and that's my 2012 Toyota RAV4. You guys have any questions, please call Lews Auto. We'll be happy to help you out. Thank you so much. God bless and goodbye.